This is a quick tutorial to go over how to search for seminars when you're ready for registration. So again, once you're on our webpage at continuingeducation.udayton.edu or go.udayton.edu/UDOLLI, you can click on Lifelong Learning at the top and then click on Search Seminars. There's going to be multiple spots where you can click on for Search Seminars. It's going to take us to the Find Your Seminars page. We have lots of options here, so I'm going to go through each one of them very briefly. The first one is Browse by Day and Time. This is going to step you through just like you may be used to if you register with us in our past system. Starting on Mondays mornings, you can just search right through and look at each one. That's going to be Monday morning at 9:30. Anything that you want to add at that time, you can add to cart. And then you're simply going to click the next time slot, and it's going to take you to the 12:30. And you're just going to go back and forth, or just straight forward until you get through each day and have added every seminar that you want to. So that's one way to do that. Another way to search by seminars is to browse by topic. So this is if you know what type of seminar you're looking for. So if you're wanting something in history and social sciences, you can actually peruse and browse and find one that you like and make sure the date and time works for you. The way I like to search is more, I find this the fastest way to search and browse on registration day is to view all seminars A to Z. If you click on that, you can just go right down the page. It does take a little longer to load because we have all of the pages, all of the seminars listed on this page. So you can either just scroll through quietly and slowly going A to Z, or as this tip tells you at the top, click Control F on a PC or Command F on a Mac, and you're going to see this nice search bar up at the top right, and then you're just going to type into there one word or two words. You don't have to put very many words, something that matches what you want in the title of the seminar. So if I'm looking to take the Google seminar, I'm going to type Google, and as you see, it immediately skipped down the page to where the Google Drive seminar is listed. So you're going to be able to add to cart as soon as registration opens, and then go to the next one. If you want to search for something else, you can also just type that in here too. So if I want to go back and find the Mahjong, I can just type in Mahjong, and it's going to take me right back up to where that first instance is. So that's the quickest way to search and find seminars and add them to cart. The final way we have is browse by location or delivery. And this is in person or on Zoom. So you can search through those that way. Other ways, if you're looking for our UDOLLI at night, they're listed here separately, so you can find those very easily, and our OSHR online. Remember, our OSHR online are not our Zoom classes, but they are classes offered by Zoom that encourage separate charge. The final way to show, we do have a search feature built into our website that you can use. This is very highly functional, and you can come in here and search by keywords. So again, I can search by that Google. If I want to take the Google Drive, it's going to pull up anything that has that word in the title for seminar. I'm going to click on that More Info and then click the Add to Cart. You go back to search and do that again. The categories are also listed here, so you can always find things through categories on the left. If you like a specific instructor, if I want to see if John Eilerman is teaching one this term, I can click on his name and search and say, oh yeah, he's teaching one with Tom Gaudian on inventors, which is going to be a fun class because a lot of different people are going to be presenting that one. So that's another way to search. And you can also search by schedule. So if I know I can only come Wednesdays in the morning, I can click Wednesday morning and search, and it's just going to give me all the classes on Wednesday morning. So there's a lot of different options here that you can choose from to find and search for your seminar. Find the way that works for you and use that consistently, and that'll make it the easiest way possible. If you have any questions for us, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office at udolli@udayton.edu or on phone by 937-229-2605.